Okay, so just for reference, that's where the driveway was coming in right there. And to come into the basement, you come around and come in like that. And this is kind of muddy right now, but hopefully this will be dried out when we're working here and we can get right in here close to the basement. And this is where the basement system will be working out of right here. One thing I'll show you real quick, if you walk around the corner, this is where the units will be going. We will need to get with Benji Schmidt, the contractor, to figure out exactly where the line set and drains need to come out at what level, because we don't know what the finished grade will be yet and what height they're going to pour the concrete. They're probably going to pour concrete for outdoor units here. Actually, that's almost pretty much a given at this point. Okay, so this right here, basement. Indoor unit's going to be located in the closet. It's going to be in a vertical position. There's a little bit of question right now about if they're going to move this doorway over or not. We can put the unit in two different ways. One, we can have it facing doors this way, or we can turn and have the doors facing this way. And we may do that. The only thing is that they'll have to offset the duct a little bit to come into there. And then they'll go that direction and this direction with our ducting. And when we get to the chases, we'll go across and across. Same thing here. Chase, across, and across. So I have to take some measurements yet on all of that, but that's all going to be pretty straightforward as near as I can tell. And we're going to have to take some 2x4s out at the end there, and at the end right here. Take some 2x4s out right there. Another thing that Benji mentioned is that we can notch these out a little bit if we want to. Those are some extra beams right here too. We can notch these out, cut them out of the way. They're just put in there while they were framing up the house initially. They're not support. Another thing would be is getting ducts through this wall. So we got everywhere there's a screw. So we got to put a duct there. We've got to put a duct here. And we've got a return duct spec to go here and a supply duct there. And that's going to serve this room right here. Just one big open room here. So yeah, one of the first things when we start this project is we'll come in and clean the whole house up just to make sure we're good on everything. It'll probably be fairly clean, but we'll just come through and clean up all the loose ends and make sure we're not tripping over anything while we're working. Thermostat for down here is going to go right in this general location, and the return will go underneath it right there. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it as far as I know. And on these joists, total height on them is 16 inches, just looks like. And then between the truss, it's like 13. So we should have enough room to do everything we need to. Okay, thanks for watching.